have a new General Assembly and a really great opportunity to move equality forward. Today is all about relationship building, not only between you and your legislator, but today you are a face and a voice for Equality Virginia. You're building a relationship for our LGBT community. Equality!
Robert Roman, Norfolk, Virginia.
Carrie Abrams of Henrico County.
Hi, my name's Theo, and I'm from North Chesterfield.
Klaus Eeleman, Norfolk, Virginia.
I am from Falls Church, Virginia.
Hi, my name is Kristen Carter, and I'm from Bristow, Virginia.
My name is Paige Flanagan, and I'm from Farmville.
Hi, I'm Carl Johansson. I'm the Vice Chair of Equality Virginia.
I'm Juji Lee. I'm from Norfolk.
Today I'm here with Equality Virginia for the Day of Action.
I met with my delegate, Jay Jones.
Today we met with our senator and with our delegate.
I have an 8-year-old transgender daughter. I am here to speak for her and others like her.
I met today with both my senator and delegate. While I'm down here, take the opportunity to meet with delegates in other parts of the state.
We just talked about the great energy that's happening in the state of Virginia.
As a transgender person, particularly seeing the health care bill passed would be tremendous.
Getting these bills passed is very important to me because it really represents the future that my child has.
One of the reasons I'm here as a mother is to ensure the safety, security, and welfare of my child.
In Virginia, we're seeking to be treated just like everybody else.
Meeting with my delegate and other representatives and knowing that they stand behind the LGBTQ community is awesome.
We talked about 3 bills with them, 2 Senate bills, and we also talked to them about the House bill about insurance discrimination. What it means to me to have been part of this effort is you're a citizen and you get to advocate for things you really believe in and are passionate about.
There are so many transgender people out there who are scared to even find employment because they're afraid of being discriminated against. But if we can come together and show them that it's okay, that they can work, they can survive, they can have a future for themselves.
We do not want Virginia to lag behind the rest of the country.
Every conversation, every meeting is very important to all of us. So we encourage everyone to show up each year and to do their part.
Welcome to Richmond.
Hi, my name is Delegate Dawn Adams, and I am the representative for District 68. We need to make progress across Virginia, and the only way to do that is to hear your voice.
My name is Danica Rome. I'm the delegate for the 13th District of the Virginia House of Delegates. And it's so important for our constituents to come down here to Richmond to help us out because we rely on you for us to know, 1, what our legislative priorities are, and number 2, what it is that you want us to accomplish here.
As long as I have anything to do with it, and as long as these great delegates and senators have anything to do with it, we're going to be inclusive in the Commonwealth of Virginia.